Hi! Today's tutorial is how to draw an optical illusion using the spiral doodling. For this tutorial, you will need an A4 white paper, a black marker, and a 12-inch ruler. At first, take an A5 sheet. Take the center and trace a horizontal and a vertical line in order to cut your paper into 4 equal squares. Then trace diagonals, 2 diagonals going from one side to another of your paper. Personally, I use a ruler because I have a neck problem which causes my hand to shake. So if you have a shaky hand like mine and you need a ruler to make straight lines, please go ahead and do it. Don't put any restrictions, because in the meditative arts, the most important thing is for you to be relaxed and happy while drawing. The essential steps in the spiral doodling is that instead of tracing parallel lines inside of each other, you in fact trace crossed lines. So if you see the first line that I will trace, it will cross the opposite line, and then this line will cross the next opposite line, and so go on. I will start tracing slowly, putting a dot where the line should reach for you to see it clearly. Then after tracing 3 to 4 triangles, I will speed the tutorial. So that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the spiral doodling. There's a lot of projects coming soon. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.